Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to schedule a Google Meet. Okay, as you can see we are in the Google Meet app. Now to schedule it we need to select New Meeting and now select Schedule in Google Calendar. As you can see the calendar app launched. Now we need to wait a little bit. In here above we can add the title of our meeting, so you can type what you want. Now we need to select the day, so let's say we want it on 26th of September. Next to it select the hour on which it will start, let's say 5 p.m. Now select how long is it going to take. So let's say from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. it's going to take 2 hours. In here also select the date, and next to it we can also change the time zone. To select it, in here you have a whole list and all time zones. So select the one that you want, then simply click on OK, or select to use the current time zone. Okay, in here also if you want you can select it the all day, and when you select it we don't have the hour, it will be simply saved in the calendar that is going to last all day. Next to it we can select do we want to repeat it. Currently the option is does not repeat, but we can select also the daily, weekly, weekly on Friday, monthly on fourth Friday, and many other. You can also click on the custom and select it manually. Then if you have selected, click on done to save. Okay, in here we have an event details. We can below add location, and also based on the Google Maps. Also we can click on the icon right in here to preview the maps. It launched on the right side, and we can select the place using the Google Maps. Okay, we can add the notification about our meeting. It can be the email or simply the notification. In here, how long before the meeting. Currently it's going to pop out this notification 30 minutes before the starting of the meeting, but we can select also the hours, days, or the weeks. In here you can select the type of the meeting. You can change the color in the calendar. In here, is it busy or is it free? We can change the visibility, it can be public or the private. If you click on the information button, you can see that this event follows the sharing settings of this calendar. Anyone who can see details of other events can also see this event's details, including the description and names of attachments. Below we can add the description. We can also add a Google Drive attachment. We can bold the text, we can italic it, we can add underline, add numbered list or bulleted list. We can also insert a link or remove formatting. Just like that you can create a description of your meeting. Below we have the guest permissions. We can select to modify the event or left invite others and see the guest list, and you can add the guests right in here from the by typing their names, but in here you can only add people with that you have know their Google account. But don't worry, if you click on save, people also can of course join by the link that you will share with them. So we can click on save. You can also see the link right in here on the left side, this blue button, and below we can see the link. Now to save, click this button above, and now we can see that we need to find the 26th of September, and you can see that our meeting has been successfully saved into our calendar, and it's scheduled. So Friday, 26th of September, it's going to last from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. In here we can join, we can invite people via link when we click on that. In here we have the location, the description, and the notification that we are going to get is going to be 30 minutes before start. And basically, that's all. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.